ever wonder where all the bread, rolls, pizza, and pastries come from?
From the grocery stores and fast food chains to local mom-and-pop bakeries, you have seen and probably consumed products made with KB Systems equipment. KB Systems is the perfect example of Pennsylvania manufacturing excellence.
Let's go visit KB Systems!
KB Systems, manufacturer of custom bakery systems and equipment in North America.
We make what we call custom equipment. It's built to design.
We met people who have pride in what they manufacture, solving problems and designing creative solutions, and seeing their skills and ideas create something.
Oh yeah, I love it. It's creative. It allows you to design and build stuff. It's nice to have that feeling where you can be creative. It's almost artistic. It's like having a canvas and painting and be part of a team and work together to resolve a solution or create something.
I love working in manufacturing. It's really fulfilling.
I like that I get to work with people.
People are a real key to success.
I'm a machinist, so I make stuff out of raw materials. For being a machinist, it's rewarding to know what you did.
I work with some really good people. We have a small, family-like environment.
Nothing's better than actually seeing something finished and standing there in front of you that you thought about, from scratch, from the beginning to the end.
What's so cool about manufacturing? Seeing things made.
That's the best part.
Figuring out an issue or a problem and how to solve it.
I absolutely love that part.
It's cool that you get to see the raw materials get converted into a product.
I love working in manufacturing. Manufacturing, it's more goal-oriented and you have a bigger purpose in what you're doing. I'm producing something that everyone can use. I just like the process of watching something go from being one thing and becoming another. As far as bread-wise, it starts off as a small ball of dough. So to watch that go from that to a complete product is just awesome.
Manufacturing is all about problem solving, creativity, design, fabrication, working with technology, and teamwork. KB Systems is a cool place. It is a warm, friendly place with a great family atmosphere where everyone has pride in what they create and manufacture.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing!